add mode. So let's say these 2 bits wanted to like do RA plus RB. So if you want to do that and put the result in RC, you can use the rest of the operands to provide more instructions and data. So I was working on my control unit and I was like, oh my gosh, this looks horrible. So what I'm going to do is break everything into small circuits and just add it together. Way better, oh my gosh. So I have almost everything for my control unit. I have an add mode, a subtract mode, blah, blah, blah. So we're just going to connect everything together now. Yes, we finished everything in the control unit. Now we're going to add all our parts like the register, program counter, and RAM. So now we're going to add more wires.